Zip. Today we're looking at this electrical tester, non-contact voltage tester. It is relatively small. Here it is compared to a $20 bill for size comparison. Inside the package you get the tester, of course, as well as 2 AAA batteries. It's pretty nice that they included with them for you to get started. So put the positive terminal in first. Close the cap. And now you're ready. There's only 2 buttons here. Press the power button to turn on. Press and hold this button to turn on the flashlights. I find using a flashlight is very useful. For some reason, not a lot of people include this, but it's nice to have when you need it. Because definitely most of the time you need it because the electric will be shut off at certain locations. To turn off the flashlight again, go ahead and press and hold this. Now, interestingly enough, there's 2 modes. One is the 70 volt to 1 kilovolt AC mode. Press again to change it to the more sensitive mode, which is the 12 volt to 1 kilovolt. And this is the one I usually use, 12 volt, the more sensitive one. To power it off, go ahead and press and hold the power button one more time. And now it's off. In case you're curious, why would you need this? Well, if you install electrical outlets like this one from Zeus, this is pretty nice because this is the smart dimmer, the 800 series from Zeus that I mentioned earlier in other videos. Before you work on live wires, you need to verify that it is off. Trust but verify, right? So what I would do is I turn this on, go into the sensitive mode, 12 volts to 1 kilovolt mode, and then verify that all of the wirings are off before I work on it. Obviously this is off because nothing's connected, but you get what I'm saying. Once you verify that everything is off, then you can certainly go ahead and work with the wiring, close it all down, tape it back up, and then turn the electric power back on. Now, before you even work on any electric, it's best that you verify that this thing is indeed actually working. So go into a functioning working outlet, something that you know for sure has power, and place this device close by to verify that it is still working. Then you can go and turn off the electricity and use this again to verify that indeed the power is off and do your thing. Let's go to this outlet, and here you can see that everything is live. We are in the sensitive mode, by the way, because that's my favorite mode. I'm not sure if it burns more battery or not, but I think it's totally worth it to be on the sensitive side. Of course, it's sensitive enough to know that electricity is still present here, even though we don't have to plug it all the way in. Yeah, that's pretty cool, right? Here's a DC voltage. Hopefully this video helps you decide which voltage tester to get. Personally, this is one of my favorites, just because it has the built-in flashlights. I'm sure if you want something smaller, there are plenty of other options, but this is really great for me because of the built-in flashlights. I really appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel, liking this video, and thanks for watching.